Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes, fourth passenger door. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.